Firefighters.
Oo, itong firefighters talagang yung willingness nila, eagerness nila, yun yung pinaka-importante para sa kanilang kupunan to be able to bring or to be on top of the top 4 dito sa ating team standings, no. Itong kupunan ng BFP, medyo kulang lang sila ng isa ngayon. Si Marky Marcada weren't see action for today, no, dahil busy daw dun sa kanilang mga ongoing recruitment para sa kanilang ahensya.
But their key players, Adolfo is here. But it's a chance ball para sa Lady Firefighters. Hosbilio. Medyo nag-agawan doon. Adolfo able to send it across. Yonko will get the first point para sa Lady Gunners. At 3-all ulit. Diaz will serve. Yonko. Betinho, yes!
Hindi na rin maganda yung ilalaro ng kanyang mga lady. So, ganun kaganda o kalaki yung tiwalang binibigay niya para dito sa BFP team. And true enough naman na kapag perform naman na maganda ang BFP, tsaka yung presence of mind nila sa larong ito.
At sabi nga nila, much better passing kasi kanina pa si Hosbilio hirap na hirap. Takbo to ng takbo as Adolfo hits. That was blocked slightly by Yonko. Yonko with the save. Betinho sends it over. Chance ball para sa BFP. Bentic catches the line.
Nice one.
It is the biggest lead was 5 points. So mahabol lang kaunti. At ito, na tapyasan na naman ang isang puntos yung kalabangan ng AFP. Good job by BFP.
Look at that drop ball coming from the BFP that time around. Not anticipated.
Much better pass by Madulid. Ito si Yonko. Cross-court hit. Got it.
She has so much power to deliver that cross-court, no? Para dito kay Yari Yonko. See that?
Saka yung height, no? Yung pagkuha niya ng bola. Ang taas. Hosbilio. Nice pass to Diaz. And a hard pass there by Yari Yonko. Nahirapan si Olores to get a good set.
It's too close to the net to bring up the ball, eh. Tatama din siya sa net, eh. Or it already hit the net kasi.
So isa na lang. Hinahabi up by 2 ulit. Hosbilio sa gitna. Mamangon. And last touch by Major Hake. It's back to a 1-point game.
Oh, these are the errors na ayaw din ng AFP, no? Kasi unti-unting nakakahabol dito ang kupunan ng BFP with those errors.
Love story with volleyball nga lang. Para kay May Madulid. 2-point game. That push. Inangat ni Marifosque. Olores. They go to Major Hake. Oh, good defense from the back row by Magpantay. Diaz down the line. Madulid again. Marifosque will not make it. And it's back to a 1-point game. Napakagandang palitan ng puntos para sa parehong koponan.
Oo, but hindi lang nakuha dito yung save nila para sa koponan ng AFP, no? Na silang lumaban dito against the AFP.
Ayan, much better pass. Yonko rejected. Oh, what a block! What a block and what a run! This is 4 straight points from down 16-17. Apat ang dire-diretso yung pinutos ng BFP to take a 3-point lead.
The 2 blockers.
Sa Lady Firefighters, walang pamatay sunog ang AFP. Major Hake back to Marifosque. Gonna be an easy pickup. Could have been an easy pickup para kay Magpantay. Pero let's remember, first meeting nila was a 4-setter. Abellana. Betinho to Olores. Olores to Madulid. Nasa harap na si May Madulid. And she gets a side out. Second point para kay May Madulid.
The running attack of May Madulid.
Antara Lilet. Diaz with a nice serve. Short pass. And it is gonna be 4 set points para sa Lady ng BFP. Huwag niyong hayaang dumikit yan. Abellana looking for the finish. Marifosque keeping it alive. Mabayad itatawid. Another chance to put it away here. Mamangon. And that'll do it. Mamangon wins the set para sa BFP. And serve from Bentic. And the first point mapupunta sa AFP on a nice hit by Lilet Mabayad.
Mabayad came out with a strong attack against the BFP right there.
Gusto gigilan ni Mabayad yung palo. That's why it went outside. Mabayad again. This time a net touch kontra kay Mabayad. Medyo gigil.
Hindi na control yung kanyang pagtakbo eh. Kaya she was able to touch the net, yung kanyang arms, no?
Very nice serve as well. Oh, and nagkabanggaan Marifosque and Mabayad, resulting in an error and a free point. This is 3 straight points para sa BFP.
They both run for the ball. Kaya lang nadulas na sila pareho. But if ever mapsaluyan.
Olores sets it back to Major Hake. Got it. Bigwasan mo. Hingin natin ngayon kung sino bibigwas. Osmilio, they go to Diaz. Diaz going down the line. Yan ang ating Major Hake. Short pass. The passing has been a problem para dito sa... This is a 3-point run para sa BFP. They're now up by 2. Bentik. Inangat ni Lavado. Olores, bad pass. Lavado, hindi aabot dyan. Parang may konting doubt na rin sa sarili, no? Pantino, underhand pass. Ang daming chance ball. Ang daming pagkakataon ng atake para sa Lady Firefighters. And yun, they will take advantage and capitalize. Bentik, Abellana, they've been taking advantage. Another short pass. Ito, kagulo na naman. Betinho, tinawid ang bola. Easy pickup for Diaz. Mamangon, two-handed push. Babawi, Pantino, nice up by Abellana. Pero nagdalawang isip yung si Diaz and she came up short.
O nga, parang she was...
Down by 3. Biggest lead ng BFP was 4. Good pass by Magpantay. Ito si Adolfo. Nice up para kay Major Hake. Pantino with the pass. Major Hake on the attack. Yes! 4 points. Dito sa set 2, they're down 1-0. Osmilio, 1-2 play. Got it!
A nice one. No look pa yung kanyang toss of the ball for the AFP. For Osmilio. Let's see it right there.
Hindi rin makadikit itong Lady Gunners. They're back down by 2. Very tough pass by De Gea. That will not go back. Balik sa 3. Kalamangan ng BFP. Passing. Much better pass. Olores. Pantino. Got it. Naman si Olores. Yarionco. Abellana keeping it alive. Sabi ni Adolfo, ako na. Olores. Running attack. Yarionco into the net. Balik sa 4. Ito ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ulit ng BFP.
Good block there coming from Bentik and Mamangon. Again for the AFP.
Another good serve by Diaz. Betinho. Sayang. Good defense at the net. No more timeouts na pala para sa Lady Gunners. Betinho, cross court. Easy pickup para kay Mamangon. Here comes Praferosa. Her first hit. Oh, she got it. Praferosa makes it 5 set points para sa Lady Firefighters. Malamig pa yun.
Good luck mga ates. Good luck. Mga ates tawag nila sa isa't isa.
There is a side out para kay Yarionco. Easy pick up para kay Betinho. Ito pagkakataon sa AFP. Madulid. Osmilio. Kainglet. Oh, Praferosa. Easy over. Madulid. Mula sa gitna. Inangat ni Diaz. Kainglet passes. Back row para kay Adolfo. A good rally here. Madulid. Inangat ni Praferosa. And Kainglet sends it over. De Gea passes. Betinho. Atake. Ay! There it is, the winning point off an arrow by Kijoy Betinho. And believe it or not, ang Lady Firefighters are up 2-0 against the Lady Gunners, Rina.
This is so unlikely din para sa koponan ng AFP na 2 straight. AFP ang lakas talaga.
And we're off. Diaz cut shot. Inangat ni Major Hake. Set number 3 action. Madulid from the back row. And kapos yung up ni Abellana. So, malaki ang kinikita, ika nga, nitong Lady Firefighters sa mga errors. There's a block against Yarionco. Sabi ni Yari, where's my coverage?
Double blockers coming from the BFP that time around. So just imagine how much confidence the BFP right now has.
Battle at the net. Oh, ang ganda ng pag-angat ni Diaz. That push is good. Great play by Josmillo. Can you believe it? Chance ball to. Josmillo passes. Diaz. Blocked by Madulid. May dig. Betinho. Cross court. Mamangon with the up. Madulid hinabol. Olores. Back row. Yarionco. And she scores again. Yarionco with 8. Looking for the lead para sa BFP. Good pass again by Yonko. Running attack. Madulid blocked by Benti. Coverage by Yonko. Betinho papalo. Inangat ni Abellana. Here comes Bentic ulit. Bentic with a push. Betinho ang pumasa. Here Madulid pushing. Diaz. And Diaz with a bad dig.
Medyo nag-scrambled up.
A push. And there's Adolfo. Nagkalituhan. Olores. Josmillo. Adolfo. And Adolfo gets another side out. And burado ang kalamangan ng AFP.
Challenge the blockers but the ball went through.
Di kita na tayo. Diaz with a pass. Mamangon. Blocked by Madulid again. Diaz atake against Major Kili Betinho. And the cut shot by Diaz is good. Lamang sila ng isa. 17-16. Bad pass. Gonna be a chance ball. Oh, good decision by Adolfo to get the hit on the second touch and the 2-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. Na-timeout si Coach Miriam. At pantay ang tina-target. Adolfo pushes, blocked by Yonko. 2-point run para sa Lady Gunners to take the lead, 19-18.
But then again, it's a miscommunication naman on the part of the BFP right there.
Madulid. Kainglet, papasa. Diaz, kinaliwa. Oh! Diaz! What a rally. Abellana! Oh, Marifosque with a dig. Major Hake underhand pass. Chance ball to. Teguia. Another chance ball. Short pass. Kainglet. Abellana. Pushes. Madulid inangat. Olores. Here's Mabayad. Block. Madulid with coverage. What a rally. Kainglet. Matalagdog outside.
Doon natapos ang rally, but good offense.
Already. Olores, papasa. Oh! Mabayad with an off-speed to win. Short pass. Gonna be a chance ball dito. Pagkakataong tapusin. But another short pass din para sa AFP. Madulid into the net. Oh! Set point na wala para kay Madulid. They go to Teguia. Almost an overpass again. Mabayad outside! Mabayad sends it outside, and just like that, BFP sweeps AFP. A total upset by the Lady Firefighters against one of the league-leading teams, the Lady Gunners, sa Season 2 ng UVL.
So second round is so much more explosive para sa kupunan ng BFP. Ito first time, no,